This 2024 Grand Design Momentum 395 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, external shower, refrigerator, microwave, TV, awning, spare tire kit, skylight, water heater, slide out, stovetop burner, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, patio deck, rear dinette, rear living area, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum 395 Mega Siemens is 15,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.